Start by disinfecting high-touch surfaces and allowing recommended dwell time before you move on to restocking and final cleaning. Begin the task by applying an appropriate surface disinfectant to all high-touch areas, including door handles, faucet handles, flush levers, soap dispensers, stall latches, and hand dryers. Use a product approved for the pathogens of concern and follow the label contact time exactly. If the label says 10 minutes, the surface must remain wet for 10 minutes. While the disinfectant is working, restock consumables in a logical order. Refill toilet paper, paper towel, and hand soap dispensers so supplies are ready for immediate use after cleaning. Next, empty and line waste receptacles to remove accumulated debris and to prevent cross-contamination during surface work. After trash removal, wipe down sinks, countertops, mirrors, partitions, and the outside of dispensers with a clean microfiber or disposable cloth using a top-to-bottom approach so you do not recontaminate cleaned areas. Save toilets and urinals for near the end of the visit, cleaning inside bowls and under rims with bowl cleaner and brushes, then disinfecting the exterior surfaces so any splatter from bowl work does not soil previously cleaned areas. Common mistakes are rushing disinfectant dwell time, which negates kill claims and leads to residual contamination, so always time contact periods and do other tasks while surfaces remain wet. Another error is restocking before disinfecting, which can contaminate new supply surfaces, so carry restock items in clean packaging and refill while disinfectant is active rather than before. A third frequent issue is mopping too early or with dirty water which redeposits soils, so sweep or vacuum first, use fresh mop solution, change water when visibly dirty, and finish with mop passes that go from cleanest to dirtiest areas, moving toward the exit. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by giving us a searchable place to list projects and bids. We also host a discussion community where we share practical tips and troubleshooting for cleaning workflows and supply planning.